If things have been a little quieter lately, there's a reason. Local law enforcement in Delcambre is turning down the volume by cracking down on extensive noise in the community, and they're doing so by using this device. I'm KTC's Penelope Lopez and your Vermilion Parish reporter, giving you a behind-the-scenes look at how it all works. For years, a group of residents in Delcambre have asked for one thing: a good night's sleep.
It's about time. That's all I can say about it. It's about time.
Now, town officials are responding to the multiple noise complaints.
These are the decibels we purchased, meters, for each officer.
This new change is coming with a price starting at $150.
A lot of our calls came in mid-afternoon and late at night. You know, when people are trying to get home, trying to rest, trying to put the kids to sleep, the baby to sleep. And, you know, there was just unnecessary loud music that were coming from vehicles. We needed to address those issues.
Starting this week, Delcambre police officers will be cracking down on excessive noise using a decibel reader, a tool used to measure noise.
Okay, we can go to the church and we'll try to get a reading.
And I got a chance to see how it works.
All right. Okay, we're 25 feet away. We're going to attempt to get a reading from the decibel meter from that vehicle as it plays music. And so you have see what it looks like,
Let's do it.
Okay, all righty.
For copyright issues, we cannot play the song, but we can get an idea of the reading.
And we showing a decibel reading of 76.
According to the new ordinance, the sound limit in the daytime is 65, and it drops down to 60 decibels at night, with officers recording 3 set times before making the final call. This decision sitting well with residents like Terry Lachelet, who raised the concern at Monday's council meeting.
Oh, I love it. I think it's great. It should have been done a long time ago.
And Police Chief Shaw is asking any resident who hears extensive noise to call that number right there on your screen. Reporting in Delcambre, I'm Penelope Lopez, KTC TV3 News.